Hey everybody, Nancy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're first timers, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back and thank you for coming back. Today we're going to be looking at some Mickey and Minnie ribbons. And we're going to start off today with a back to school ribbon. I know school has already started, but you know, you can always have back to school ribbon in your arsenal. And look at these guys, aren't they cute? These are like the kids. The kids, we got the Minnie, Donald, Daisy, Goofy. Goofy, he even has braces. And there's all kinds of stuff going on in the background. You got backpacks and crayons and glue, pencils, scissors, books, apples for the teacher. Isn't that cute? This is a 1-inch pattern, and it's white on the back. Okay? 1-inch pattern, white on the back. And then this is a cute accent ribbon to go with it. Got all these colored pencils here. Yellow, pink, purple, blue, green, orange. Those pretty. Be cute as accent ribbon for the back to school. And this is a 1-inch pattern, and it's white on the back. Right now we've got some awareness ribbon. We've got Mickey's ears, and I have a flat back that goes with this. And see the size of that? It's a lot bigger than the ribbon. And this ribbon, this is a 1-inch ribbon. Now if you go onto my website and you go under the flat backs, this is acrylic. You go under the flat backs, it'll show you the measurements to all my flat backs. So if you're wondering what size this is, just check the flat backs and it'll show you the measurements. And again, this is a 1-inch and it's white on the back. How about some Christmas? Some Christmas Minnie and Mickey, aren't they cute? He's got on his hat with his Santa belt. And here she's got on her bow. And there's antlers. There's another one with her bow. And let's see, we got ones with Christmas lights. This one's cute here, covered with Christmas lights. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 different patterns before it starts to repeat itself. And you've got a red border on the bottom. There's a white background, and it's white on the back, and this is a 1-inch pattern. Now I'm not going to show you a lot of them, but I have Minnie and Mickey in different holidays. I've got it in Easter, St. Patty's Day, Mardi Gras. I've just got all the Valentine's Day. I have all the holidays, but I'm not showing them all here because I have too much ribbon. And it would take forever if I did all those too. So just know that you can get them in different holidays too. All right, here we just have a bunch of Minnie heads. She's got on pink hair bow, and it's just a repeat pattern all the way across. And this is a 1-inch. It's white on the back, and the background is white, as you can see. All right, let's do some green. This is a 7/8 inch pattern, and it's almost like an embossed. You can kind of feel that it's on top of the ribbon. And this is green all the way through. It's a solid green ribbon. And I also have it in a blue. Isn't that pretty? It's like a teal blue with the matching hair bow. Matching hair bow. And this is a solid blue. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Okay, so this is a cute ribbon. It's got 3 different mini patterns, and then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different designs on the back before it starts to repeat itself. And I've got some cute, this is a 1 inch, right on the back, and I've got some cute accent ribbon that would go with this. You could do this one here, would be cute. Let's see, let's put this way. That would be cute with that. Let's see, you've even got this would be cute with that. I probably should have put that down first. It's all right. We'll figure it out. We'll be all right. And that would be cute with that. So any of these would go really cute with that. Okay. This one is a 7/8 inch. This dot one is a 7/8 inch. It's white on the back. And the chevron, this is a 7/8 inch, and it's white on the back. So you got those three that would go really good together. Okay. Get those out of the way. Okay, how about some firemen, first responders ribbon. We've got fireman, Mickey with his fireman's hat on, Minnie with her red hair bow. We've got the red stripe going through, and I happen to have a acrylic flat back to go with that. And like I said, you can find the sizes in the shop. And it's got the red stripe going through it, and it's just acrylic. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern, and it's white on the back. Firemen, first responders, and I have another one for the police. So we've got Mickey wearing the police officer hat and Minnie wearing the bow. And then we just have the American flag here with the blue stripe going through it. And I have a flat back for that one. Acrylic, the blue stripe going through with the American flag. Okay, and this is, it's almost like a pale white, or a pale, I'm not sure. It's an off-white on the back. It's not a pure white. Okay, and that's a 1-inch pattern. All right, some more Minnie. Here she is. She's got her little pose going on with her head, and you've got the dots, the border for the there's lines and dots down here, dots in the background. This is a 1-inch pattern, and it's white on the back. And this is a cute ribbon. You've got here, you've got heads. You've got 4 Minnie heads with her hair bows, and then 2 Mickey heads with the dots. And the dot border, the black line there. It's white on the back, and this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Okay, and I made a, I made a hair bow with this along with this here, along with this ribbon, and this ribbon. So you've got this kid's going to Disney. This is a 1-inch pattern, white on the back, and the dot is 7/8. The heads are 7/8. Okay, and then I made a hair bow to go with it, and it says this kid's going to Disney. It's got Minnie with her hair bow, and this is in rhinestone bottle cap. So if you go to my site and go to the rhinestone bottle caps or bottle caps, you'll have the option to get these either with the rhinestone or just a plain bottle cap. Here it is in just a plain bottle cap, okay? And you can pick your color. There's many colors to choose from. You don't have to have the black, right? So there's that one, and here's one that's for Mickey. Same thing. This kid's going to Disney, and you can get it either way. There are options for both. But this hair bow is made, so you've got this ribbon. This is a 3-layer. So you've got this ribbon here, and then you've got the dot ribbon here, and then you've got this kid's going to Disney on the back. Isn't that cute? Along with the dots. So yeah, that's it. So those 3, 1-inch, and 7/8 on the other ones. Get that out of there. Okay. Now the hair's cute. This is cute. This is adorable. She's just got some sass going on there. Look at her. She's got, we got sass going. And here she is with her little glasses and her little pose. Yeah, she's got it going on, doesn't she? And I made a little bow with that one. So this is another 3-layer bow. And then you have the dots. And here's some more ribbon here. Sorry if I'm out of the shot, I'm sorry. And here's another scene. Now you pick your cap, the design you want. You'll get 3 of that design. And then you choose how you want it mounted. Rhinestone or bottle cap, and you choose your color. Okay? So this is a 1-inch pattern, and it's white on the back. I just love that. Oh, I got another one another flat back that would go cute with this, actually. Here's a flat back that would go cute. See, she's got her glasses on here. And this has got her glasses. They like have a film here, and then they're covered with glitter, and her hair bow is covered with glitter. And these are limited. I don't have all that many left. So if you're interested, just head to the shop. And you guys, if you're liking these videos, please do me a favor and like and subscribe. And that way, in the future, when I post new videos, it will alert you and you can check them out. See any of the new ribbon that's coming out. So here's this ribbon that I did this hair bow with. That's one of the layers that I did that hair bow with. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. And it's white on the back. And you've got different, here she is, her little nose is a heart with different colored heads and shapes and sizes. And you've got hearts in here. Very cute pattern. Now how about some Mickey and friends? All their friends. Here you've got Minnie, Mickey, Donald, Daisy, Goofy. Or, I'm sorry, Pluto, Goofy. And then the pattern starts to repeat itself. And here you've got, it says Mickey Park. And there's an arch here, and everybody's piled up underneath the arch waving. And this is a 1-inch pattern. It's white on the back. And you've got different scenes going on in the background. This is a very busy, cute ribbon. Very cute. All right. We've got some more Minnie. Minnie and her pup. How cute is that? And here she is. She's going shopping. She's got her little bag hanging off of her arm there. And this one says Minnie. And there's the little hair bow. And this is another busy pattern on the back. You've got all kinds of different designs. So this has 1, 2, 3 different designs before the pattern starts to repeat itself. And it's white on the back. And it's a 1-inch, if I missed that. It's a 1-inch. And here we've got some more Christmas. Now this is just Mickey. And he's kind of leaning up against a ho 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 sign. He's got a little ornament in his hand. He's got on his Santa hat and dressed in his scarf. And you've got snow, mounds of snow in the background there. Just a super cute one for Christmas. I was going to say Halloween. And it's white on the back. And this is a 1-inch pattern. Okay. And let's see. We're going to take a cruise on Mickey Cruise Lines. If you are going on a cruise or you know someone that's going on one, this would make a really cute gift. And here we've got Mickey. He's all dressed up in his sailor costume. Here's Minnie. She's dressed up in her sailor costume. And she's next to Mickey's head with a hat on. And he's next to Minnie's head, and she's got a pirate hat on. And then in the background we've got anchors and whales and ship's wheels. And over here we got ships, fish. A lot going on in the background. And here it says Disney Cruise Line. And this is a 1-inch pattern. And it's white on the back. Alright. We love Disney, don't we? So this one has Mickey, where the O is going to be. We got Mickey, Minnie, Goofy, and Donald. We got their hats and their heads. Isn't that cute? And this is a 1-inch pattern, and it's white on the back. How about a birthday? This would make a cute hair bow for a birthday girl. And here we've got cupcakes and birthday cakes. Here we've got Minnie wearing her birthday hat. Here's a cupcake with Mickey's head with a candle coming out. It's really cute. And there's streamers and fireworks going on in the background. White on the back. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Here, now this reminds me of like an old film reel, the way they've got this spliced in between each picture. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different scenes before the pattern starts to repeat itself. And this is a 1-inch, and it's white on the back. Look at here, she's got her hands in her head there. Here we've got Mickey and Minnie. They're kind of squeezed into that frame there. Here she just looks like she's having a good old time. Here she's kind of shy. Oh, cute. All right, let's see. We've got another Christmas one. And this one has like it's a pale white. It's not a white. It's a pale white, and it says Merry Christmas. And it's got a zebra border with a red trim. And we've got Minnie and Mickey, and they're dressed up for Christmas. They've got on their scarves and their hats. And this is a 7/8 inch, and it's white on the back. Now this one is another cutie, another cute one. Minnie and Mickey. They got their dots going here with their yellow outfits. They almost look like little bumblebees, don't they? Mickey, he's got on bumblebee shorts. Minnie's got on a little bumblebee skirt. And she's got her little bumblebee hair bow. And just, it's really cute. I'm not sure what this is along the border there. Not quite sure what that is, but it fits in. And it's white on the back. And this is a 1-inch pattern. Okay, now we've got some colored ribbon going on here. Now this here is glitter. All the little heads, the black and white heads are all glitter. Mickey's eyes are glittered. And this is a solid ribbon all the way through. These are 7/8 inch, and I've got it in the pink, purple, and red. Got it in all those different colors. Okay, and these are all 7/8, all solid colors all the way through. Isn't that neat? Love that. Okay, let me see. I had a couple more flat backs to show you. I have a Mickey, just plain Mickey. It's acrylic, and the glove. Now the glove can be used for either Mickey or Minnie. It'll work either way. Just make a cute little accent when you don't know what to add, right? Okay, y'all, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me on my Minnie and Mickey ribbon series. In the next video, okay? All right, bye-bye, y'all. Doop, boop, ba, doop, boop.